Today I'm going to be showing you how to mine a cryptocurrency, and that cryptocurrency is Ethereum. So let's get started. First of all, Ethereum, well, you gotta know the basics. So Ethereum is a cryptocurrency. So I'm going to be showing you how to mine Ethereum. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what we're going to be doing, in brief explanation. So we're going to have 4 steps. And those steps are: step 1, get a wallet. Step 2, get a miner. Step 3, find a pool to mine in. Step 4, set up ETH miner and start mining. So let's get started. So step 1 says get a wallet, so we're going to get a wallet. And the best place to get a wallet, which I think, is Koinomi wallet. So I'm just going to say that all the links to this is in the description below. So let's download it. Oopsies. So there are different types of download areas according to which device you have. Now, I already downloaded it, and by the way, I never mentioned, but this, I'm going to be doing it for a MacBook. So I already have downloaded this, so you can go ahead and pause the video and download it. So I'm going to go ahead and open Koinomi. So when you open Koinomi, it's going to be something like this. So we have to create a new wallet. So now you're going to have to pick your password. So I'm going to type in my password. All right, so let's go. So now you're going to have to choose which coin you want. Now, I made this video specifically for Ethereum, so I'm obviously going to do Ethereum. So that's how you create a wallet. So let me go back to my notes. So we're done with step 1, check. Now step 2 is get a miner. So first of all, we're gonna have to go to here. Now when we come here, so as I said, I would keep the links below in the description below. So when you come here, we're gonna go to our right and click releases. Now, when we come to this page, we're going to click Assets, and you're going to have to click on ETH Miner-M1. Now, I've already downloaded it on my system, so I don't need to download it, but you guys can go ahead and click that. Now, you need to go to your applications, and here's mine. All right, so that's where ETH Miner. So if you have it in your downloads, you can go ahead and move it to applications. Alright, so now going back to this. So now we have to go to terminal. Terminal. Here now we're going to have to put in some code. So we're going to have to keep in cd/applications and click in. So what that means is that it's going to go to your applications folder. So now we're going to go back to our notes and we are going to write this code. Alright, and now we're going to keep in our other code. And let me copy this. Alright, so we're going to type that in. Just making sure, just telling you guys there's no spaces. So there we go. So there we go. Now you can click enter. So it's going to say this, okay? So now we're going to go back to our notes. And so that's step 2. Now we're going to go to step 3, which is to find a pool to mine in. Now this is a really quick step. So I chose ethermine.org. So I think that's the best place to find our pool. So I'm just going to click Let's Start Mining Now, and we're going to go back to our notes. All right, finally, step 4, set up ETH miner and start mining. So now we're going to set up ETH miner and start mining. So you're going to open text edit. So text edit. I'll make this bigger for you guys. So if we go back to our notes, it says open text edit, type the command below. So we have this. So we're gonna just copy in this, all right? Now we're gonna go to text edit, paste it. Oops, sorry. Strat. So we're gonna type in stratum. All right, and then if we go, well, now we're gonna have to get our wallet key. So go back to Coinomi and click Ethereum. Now here, go up to the top where it says balance, send, and receive. Click on receive, and you're gonna have this. Well, now you're just gonna copy up your wallet key, which is this. Technically, it's that. Then we can take that out and paste it. So now we've got that, all right? So we're gonna go back to here. So now what we're gonna have to do is you have to come up with a name for your little, you're gonna have to come up with a name for it, okay? So I'm choosing MBA for MacBook Air. Now we're gonna give our @ and so here, when we clicked to this website, I told you to click start mining. So it would pop up to here. Now, you're gonna have to figure out where in the world you are, and I am in the US East, so I'm gonna use this code. And we're gonna go back to text edit and paste it. All right, so if we go back here, now we're gonna have to find the code, our Stratum port code. So for Ethermine, it's 4444. So if you go back to text edit, we are gonna go ahead and keep a colon 444, sorry. Now, once we are done with that, now that we're done with it, we're gonna go to format up here and click make plain text. So we have to make it to plain text so it's understandable. Now that we've done that, all we have to do is save it. So you can go ahead and save it. I'm gonna name mine eMine. And you should have your plain text encoding Unicode. So, oh, and I forgot. So when you click save as, now you have to add the .sh extension because then only it would recognize that shell. Now you can go ahead and save it. All right, and then you can just get it out of our way. So if you go back to our notes, so we have done 1 and 2 in step 4, 1, 2, and 3 in step 4. Now we're gonna go back to terminal. And if you are not in your, it shows applications here, then you're gonna have to type in this code again. If it does show applications, you do not type that in, and we're gonna type in something else. Oop, I just missed the notes. There we go. All right, so we're gonna type in this code. I'm gonna paste it. All right, now we're gonna click enter. And then we're gonna go back here and copy this code. Paste it, and that starts your mining for blockchain. Ethereum, sorry. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe and turn the notification bell. See you guys later. Bye.